Following the strange, cloudy and a bit of rainy weather in the south of Thailand, I decided to head further north, and I found myself abiding in a beautiful canal suite located about 40 minutes drive from Bangkok. The place I stayed is called Hunz Canal Stay, a waterfront terrace hotel in Nonthaburi city. It's a great place to escape the hustle and bustle of Bangkok and just relax in nature and enjoy good food.
Hello everyone, it's after 10:30, almost 11. After I had that breakfast, that heavy breakfast. I mean, it wasn't heavy. I mean, it's heavy, but there wasn't much of it. It was the roti and the chicken curry. I just went back to sleep. And that's not like me. Something about this place that I just want to sleep. And it's okay. I'm trying to tell myself it's okay, you know. It's okay to have a holiday and do nothing. That's the purpose of a holiday, right? To do nothing. But sometimes I feel guilty when I look at the time. I'm like, oh my goodness, what have I done? You know, I'm like, but no, I'm learning that it's okay to do nothing. Not always, not forever, but just for a small period of time. And I think the next few days I'm here, I'm gonna try and do nothing and just enjoy it.
And that's what I pretty much did. Relax by the lake, watch TV, eat good food, feed the fish in the lake, watch the amazing boats go by, and watch the sun set into its vibrant colours. Note, if you would like to further explore out of the vicinity of Hunz Canal, you will need a car. Or you could use the Grab app to order a taxi at a pretty much good rate. Or if you are adventurous like me, you could take a walk about 25 minutes to the nearest bus station and take a bus into town for only 15 Thai baht and do some of your own exploration tours. All in all, it was a great relaxing stay, and I highly recommend it if you are looking for a place to escape the craziness of Bangkok and unwind in a bit of quiet and nature.